Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to unhide mobile number in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide mobile number in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone. And after opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you will be on this interface where you can see there is the settings option available for us just below the saved messages on this panel. Tap on settings. And over here again, we'll be required to open the privacy and security on the settings side just below the chat settings. So let's tap on the privacy and security. And over here again on this interface, you can see there is the phone number option available for us just above the last seen and online. Tap on phone number. And now in order to unhide your mobile number in Telegram, either you can unhide it to everybody, or you can unhide it to my contacts or your contacts only. Here it says, guys, you can see my phone number. If you want everybody to be able to view your mobile number, choose everybody. But if you want only your contacts to be able to view your phone number in Telegram, choose on my contacts on this section, and tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. And with that being done, guys, your phone number will be unhidden on Telegram, or your mobile number will be unhidden on Telegram. You can also choose everybody. That's on you, guys. And with that being said, guys, this is how to unhide mobile number in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.